Alright, tell you what, you get tired and frustrated when you're trying to get these old hinges off cabinet doors that are full of years of paint. And you put your Phillips in here and it strips out and you're like, come on, man. So a quick little tip I've discovered is just take a sacrificial screwdriver, because I broke the handle off it with the hammer. Give it a couple whacks. Take your other Phillips, push down really hard. It comes right out. And if that works, and you tap that and it strips and it still don't want to come out, instead of fighting with it, take a Dremel or my grinder. Got a slit, take your straight screwdriver, put it in the slit you just made. Put pressure on it, and it comes right on out of there. And there's a quick tip of getting your old screws off your hinges for your cabinet doors that have been stuck on for years. Thanks, God bless, have a good day.